My lab test one. I guess I'll just go through the UI first. So this is the main activity, and it shows my name and student number. And then when you click on sensors, it brings up my sensor activity. That's the menu right there. And then showing the back arrow here. And then when I change like the values, so the ambient temperature less than 0, it's going to be blue. And then white from 0 to 20, and then yellow from 20 to 40, and then above 40 it's going to turn red. And then also it shows the value right there changing when I change it, so minus whatever, and now it's positives. And also I have the light, so the light value is shown there as well, depending on what it is on here. And yeah, so you can go back as well, and it all works fine. And now I'll go over the code. So this is my main activity. So basically, this is the menu right here. Starting a new intent when they click the sensor, the menu sensors button. And then yeah, this is creating the menu. And then here I have two classes, one for temperature and one for illuminance. So illuminance I'll just go through first. So we call listener, and then basically we had to create the sensor manager, sensor and sensor event listener. And then from here we get the value, or we set listener to the value of on light, I guess. And then at the bottom here we register and unregister it, or we have like the functions for it, I guess. Then temperature is essentially the same, except to get the temperature sensor. And then the sensor activity, so basically here I have a couple text views just to display the value on the layout. And then I'm getting my illuminance and temperature. Here's where I initialize them. And then here it's getting the text views for the light value and temperature, so it can display when it's changed. And then as we go down, so this is the light listener. Basically it's this. And then all it does is really set the light value to whatever the value is on the sensor. And then here is the temperature. So we also do the same with setting the value of temperature, just so it shows what the value is. And then here is the if-else statements, just to change the color of the background depending on what the temperature is. And then on resume to register the listeners, and then to unregister the listeners. And yeah, that's my lab test one.